isa pa, ma'am. Wow!
Wow, so brave! Ooh, that's creepy.
Really? I like it. I like it. Oh my God.
Hi, mga loves! Ayan na, si nanay.
Hi.
Ayan na, simula. Ay,
I'm so reddish. I'm so reddish.
really?
So we are here in a crocodile park, and let's see how many crocodiles we can eat.
Pila yung gano'n sa card, mga bayarin?
Tanan? Pila tanan, ma'am.
Ay, duwa!
Naman na yung master sa Hello! First time natin sa Davao.
First time everywhere.
Yeah.
Hello, hello!
Guwapa ko, guwapa.
Galaw.
Oh!
Nara.
Hey there. Hey, Redbird.
Moving in the pond.
Ooh, that's creepy. Warning! Do not lean over the railings. Crocodiles may jump and grab you.
Where's the bigger one?
Mga picture.
Ganyan ako, ganyan ako.
Wow, Kitty.
Bibi! Ah, isa pa, ma'am. Wow!
Ayaw ka na po, manabay ako sa iyo.
Marunong din mag-project ang bird.
Marunong
Okay,
po.
well-
Picture, wait lang. Wait lang ha.
Ano na lahat, ma'am?
Abi, ari na.
Smile! Look at me, ba?
Grabe sila ka-hungry.
Oh, wala pa rin mga zombie.
Ayaw mo pa ka. Look at ha.
Okay, come on, guys. It's feeding time.
Hi, how are you doing there, Oh? Hi, Oh.
Sorry. Nawala man tayo.
You can feed the ostrich for only 20 pesos here
How much is the
with
rabbit?
Kuya,
Ang feeding
Nanay,
niya, yung rabbit.
Ate Virgo.
Ostrich feeding.
Hi!
Scary.
Comes. Step.
Sa camera rin nalitingin.
Look here, smile.
Lagos
So,
Nichols.
Wala siya ang rabbit.
Ay, military.
Very old McDonald. Kaayo diri. Oh, old McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Palabot.
Hey, Drago. Ming.
Oh, no. Lobat na ka na eh. Say hi, Mira.
Hello, we're here now. We're waiting for the animal show. Wala kasi bubutsan kaya kami na. Wala kasi bubutsan kaya kami na. Hi, my love. Si nanay ba? Where's nanay? Hello, my love. And we're here.
So, nasa na ba si Bubuchang? Bubuchang, nananawagan kami. Nasaan ka na?
Where are you?
Ang kulay ng buhok niya is green.
May hinahanap po kami nawawalang species. Kulay green ang buhok. Amin brown eh.
May kasama siyang bata. So, ito po ang stage ng show.
Hi, kids. Hi. We are so back at SD Camp.
Walang ano.
Hi.
Lemon counter, kung saan ilalabas natin ang ating baby lemon counter, kung saan ilalabas natin ang and they are going to show you guys sa water crocodile na si Bagil.
Look here, Kung. Oh my God. Wow, so brave.
You like it? Guys, he's coming! Huh?
What? Tightening down.
It's good!
Really?
I like it!
You like it?
Okay, let's buy some ice cream, guys. Coconut ice cream! Yeah! Coconut! Eat the ice cream!
Picture ka po. Picture po niya na yun.
Mami.
This is crocodile ice cream, ah.
Kana.
Chocolate.
Uy, iyak. Asin ko anda. Ano ah? Crocodile. Crocodile.